Hey YouTube, it's Josh. I'm back with this new Kenwood microwave oven / grill that I have got. We've had it for some time. I do apologise about the bright white light because the light bulb isn't working in the kitchen at the moment, so just be careful if you've got epilepsy, by the way. So yes, we've got all the programs. The inside is the inside. There's the main turntable. Even though this microwave smells of curry already. Got the light, which is lit there. The main turntable that goes round inside. Excuse me. And there's the grill on top. I haven't used the grill yet, but hopefully I will at some point. This metal tray would be used if you were using the grill, but if you're just using a main microwave, I would actually advise you to take that out and just use that on its own and use that for just a grill only. So, we've got the main time, there we go, it's in focus. With this light you can see some of the functions. No, you can't see it that well. This one there would be pizza. This one would be meat, even though I know you can't see it very well. This one would be vegetables. Oh, there we go, we can see it a bit now. Pasta. Cake. There we go, we've got potatoes. Fish. We've got popcorn and chicken there. We've got this one here as well, so those are all the main keys. We've got settings on here. We've got that here, a key, defrost, grill, fan. If I press the microwave button, so there we go, we've got the main microwave function. And that's the power, obviously. You'd have that as the power, you turn that. That's obviously how high the power you want. We just clear that. I nearly pressed the go button by mistake. If you do press the go button, it'll start from about 30 seconds on here, but I'm not going to do that though. You've got defrost. Again, just tells you that's how long you want it to defrost for. That's just the main time. Just clear that. And we've got grill, and that's just a grill. That's like, that's grill and microwave, but that one's just grill. Clear that. And you've also, for health and safety, with your, if you've got a small child and all that, you can lock your microwave if you can just see the key just there where my finger is. If you push and hold this button, the stop and play button, for about a few seconds, it will lock. There we go. Now the key light is on, it means it's locked. So if I push any of these buttons now, all these buttons are now disabled. So if a child was going to try and come up here, we've got the clock time. See, all buttons are disabled, and even though I turn this knob, nothing's working. So your child cannot do anything. To unlock it, you just again press the button again for a few seconds, and then it should go off again. And there you go, and then all the buttons are working again. So that's, yeah, the main of the Kenwood microwave. So new Kenwood microwave for us. It's quite a success. I don't really like cooking stuff in it, although it's probably useful for if you're in a rush anyway. So yes, if you've liked this video, please leave a comment, please leave a like as well, and subscribe as well. Thank you.